At Swagelok, we really try to invest and develop both our current associates and our future associates. If we're all constantly growing and developing at a greater pace than our competition, it really enables us to provide the best value and service for our customers. And that's critical for our overall success going forward.
Swagelok connects with students at a variety of levels, from the elementary through high school students and even into post-secondary education, to create an interest in technical careers, engineering, and manufacturing. We connect with adult learners through a collaboration with the local community college called the Right Skills Now program. Those candidates undergo weeks of training on machining and equipment that's directly applicable when they join Swagelok. Our co-op and internship programs are focused around high school and college students, providing them an opportunity to work in their field of study, gaining real-world experience that will help prepare them for graduation.
Swagelok's internship program is really exciting. We give them real-world assignments, projects that we really need done as an organization, and they bring a lot of different ideas from different programs that they're working on in school.
As an intern at Swagelok, I've had the opportunity to work across multiple service groups ranging from engineering to customer service, working on process improvement projects. I was able to work on real-world projects that can impact Swagelok and then bring that experience back to the classroom to help refine my education.
At Swagelok, we really believe in personal development and trying to find ways to help our associates grow and develop. Our career development program is a great program because it rotates our new graduates through 3 different areas across their first 3 years of their work experience. Swagelok invests in educating students about science, technology, engineering, and math careers by working closely with elementary schools to understand the impact of the Bloodhound program and seeing how STEM impacts new technology that's being developed around the world. We also work closely with the Boy Scouts of America Explorer Post to bring high school students into our building to understand what an engineering career looks like in a large organization. Swagelok dedicates so much time, energy, and resources to education and training because our associates are our future. They're helping us to solve our customers' problems and grow our organization. And by challenging them to grow and do more, we really enable our future success and the success of our customers.